Solve 3 over m squared equals m minus 4 over 3m squared plus 2 over 3m squared. Well, what I notice right away is these are two fractions being added together and the denominators are the same. So do nothing with the left side. And on the right side, since the denominators are the same, just add the stuff on top. So you have 3m squared on the bottom. I have m minus 4 plus 2 is going to be m minus 2 when you simplify. Now, what I have is I have a proportion. Crisscross applesauce, cross multiply and divide. So I'm going to have m squared times m minus 2 equals 3 times m squared. So 9m squared. Multiply this guy. M squared times m squared is m cubed. M squared times negative 2 is negative 2m squared, and that's going to equal 9m squared. Let's subtract 9m squared from both sides. Minus 9m squared minus 9m squared. And what that does is that leaves me with m cubed minus 11m squared equals 0. Now I notice that right away I can pull out an m squared, and that leaves me with m minus 11 equals 0. Using the zero product property, I can say m squared equals 0 and then solve that, and then m minus 11 equals 0 and then solve that. Okay, to get rid of the squared, you square root both sides, and whenever you square root both sides to solve, you have to attach the positive or negative. So m is going to equal positive or negative 0, which is stupid because that just means m is equal to 0. Over here, I'm going to add 11, and 0 plus 11 is 11. So if m equals 11, then m equals 11. So my possible answers here are going to be 0 and 11, except I'm not allowed to have 0. Why? Well, if I were to plug in 0 on the bottom, that would make u undefined, and u undefined. So 0 is not an option. So my only possible answer for all of this is going to be m equals 11.